Friends, over here you can just insert in YouTube videos also. Okay, I will show you once. So these are my videos. I'm gonna insert. You can just insert anyone. And over here there are many things. You can insert the button, insert anything you want. And you can just take this layout over here. I want to insert another image. And I'm going to use my logo as then over here. Look at this. And if you want to delete this, you can just click on the delete button. Okay, and I want to over here. Welcome to my website. Okay, so if you want to insert any more pages, you can just insert it. Okay, so let me add another page. I'm going to name it as videos. Not videos. Actually my videos. Okay, done. So there will be pages my videos over here. My videos. And friends. So you can insert an image also. As a going to show you how to insert a YouTube video. Let me insert and show. See over here. I am really sorry. I can find the YouTube video. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so over there many things we can just show. Click anything. So now let's go to the themes. Whichever themes you like it, you can just you can make anything. So there are many types of themes over here. I like to have the blue one. So it's really very fantastic. We all click on publish a web address. HTTPS HTTPS support. I'm going to use dash Tanishka .com. Sorry, not .com. And so you can just do anything over here. You can do, yeah, it's good. And publish. It's publishing. So let's view the site. This is my site. Okay, so let's go to the home page and see. Wait a minute. I think error has been. I should be to www dash Tanishka dash com. Yeah, because I've created another actually same website over here. So please, you can see it over here. Wait a minute, let me show you. Oh, wait a minute, I'm going to show you over here. Just search Google sites. Okay. Over here, you are going to get so two websites. So this one I've created first. Okay. This is my first website. Okay, it's too easy to build it. And now you can view the website also like this. So since this is the home, let's go to the post pages. Over here I've uploaded my YouTube videos, so here you can see it. Okay, isn't it easy to create such a beautiful website for free? So whenever you need to create this website, please search as Google Sites. Okay, the Google Sites helps you to create a website for free of cost. Thank you. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Okay, have a nice day. Stay safe, stay home.